Hello, beautiful Agatha Mind family. Welcome again to another wonderful update. Thank you so dearly for always supporting. I really appreciate. If you are just coming across this wonderful family for the first time, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing you the news back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed in the comment section. So carry your popcorn. Let's dive into what's happening today.
Okay, PBC and Pidgin audience, this now the Federal High Court for Nigerian capital Abuja, where the trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra go continue today for court here for Abuja. Lawyer NNAMDI KANU you don't confirm say this trial will continue. So we know say for 10th of November where the case supposed hold, the case no hold, they adjourn until the 19th of January for Kanu's trial to continue. But waiting with they see today, news break yesterday say the trial will continue today. The NNAMDI KANU lawyer don't confirm the court said don't said. But if you see today, the usual security presence where they full for this court, usually during NNAMDI KANU's trial, no day today. The Federal High Court day a bit free, no security presence. If you look where security been the day for the entrance to the court, security no day. No security beef up, security no day for strategic locations as than the day before. But waiting they happen today be say we get confirmation say NNAMDI KANU trial go continue today. Now the trial supposed be on the 19th of January 2022, 19th and 20th of January 2022, but they shift the trial come today sake of say NNAMDI KANU lawyers then been write to the court to demand say make them shift the trial come front. NNAMDI KANU case supposed to be speedy trial, but sake of say the federal government, sake of say on the 10th of November, in lawyers them been stage out waka from the court, sake of say the DSS be no allow one of the lawyers where come from America today inside court. Because of that one, they adjourn the case. But today, they write to the court demanding, asking the court, may them give them, may them push the time from 19th to 20, from 19th and 20th of January, come today, and that's why the court they hold today. For court today, waiting go happen for court today be say, according to NNAMDI KANU lawyer, then go file for bail application. The case where been day ground be say, the lawyers been day court before, they ask the court say, you no get jurisdiction to hear NNAMDI KANU case. We know say, the federal government be amend NNAMDI KANU case to 7 count charges. So the lawyers been enter court say, this court, the Federal High Court for Abuja here, be no get jurisdiction. Jurisdiction means say they no get power, authority to hear the matter. But because they do workout, then stage workouts for on the 10th of November, the court be adjourned the matter. So today we're going to hear bail application for NNAMDI KANU. Sake of the story where they pass say they feel release them, the lawyers say that one they never did certain about that one, but they know say court go hear NNAMDI KANU case today, and that's then they ready can't to come represent NNAMDI KANU for court today. So basically now waiting they happen be this, we see say part of the gate of the court they locked, but then they allow lawyers to enter, the usual security presence, the usual people where they full ground for here in no day, and the lawyers they confident say they then go hear the matter. You know they clear whether NNAMDI KANU go appear for court, because go appear inside court. We don't know that one. We never feel confirmed that one. But waiting we feel tell authoritatively be say NNAMDI KANU trial go happen for court today. And also security presence never full ground here. The court they open around 9, but they know say NNAMDI KANU case go fit come up around 9 to 10 for inside the court. So now waiting day ground for here be this. Court lawyers, they enter court, no wuru wuru, no the usual check-ins where they around. That one no day this time around. Everybody just they enter the court as long as you feel proof say and you feel show say you be lawyer or you get something to do for court, then go allow you enter court. Basically now waiting for the environment they happen today, but waiting when the court proceedings go start. For those where they say you go get bail today, then go release and today, it never declare. Waiting BBC Pidgin fit confirm say yes, then go hear in bail application today according to waiting lawyer talk, but it never declare whether then go leave them or no leave them. According to the Attorney General of the Federation, for waiting in talk for new to rented to read people be say to say then go pardon Nnamdi Kanu no day table now, because before they go talk say then go pardon person, the person case then for don't hear the case, don't conclude the matter, the trial for don't finish. Well, Nnamdi Kanu trial never finish before then go talk about pardoning. So it never declare whether those that kind pardoning matter they table for now. From here, by 10 o'clock, we go to bring una exactly waiting they happen inside court. We go also tell una, we they bring una waiting the lawyers they talk with argument where they go bring on board. We go also, they clear whether if they also their bail application, the courts go hear them. We also know say no be the first time where courts go give if they give Nnamdi Kanu bail, no be the first time court go give Nnamdi Kanu bail. They don't give Nnamdi Kanu bail. Also, the court say you don't jump bail before and then jackpot from Niger. So that one also, according to some lawyers where we talk to, now also a very serious matter where the court go want chook mouth see to know whether they fit give am bail application. But waiting with it tell una today be say yes, Nnamdi Kanu trial go start today. The usual security presence no day ground. In lawyers don't confirm say they don't ready today inside court to prepare to hear the court matter today. So now the court premises be this. We also fit tell una say this last minute change of time where they bring the trial confront, they come after some leaders of the Southeast meet with President Muhammadu Buhari, where they explain, give, say, and beg the president, say, make it consider political solution to Nnamdi Kanu matter. The president then been say, he no one chook hand on top judiciary matter, sake of say judiciary getting own role to play, executive getting own role to play, but that the Igbo leaders they say make them consider the matter, sake of the impact where the whole thing they cause for Southeast. So then they worry sake of the security kasala where they happen for the Southeast, and that's why they want government to look into the matter and see whether then go find political solution to the matter. Whether this political solution go happen or no go happen, now waiting we go they bring una as we continue to the monitor this hearing where go happen today for the Federal High Court Abuja. So we'll take short break and then we'll bring una more on top waiting go happen today.
We know quite all right that what God cannot do does not exist. We are so thankful to God. We are going to give God all the glory today because he is the only one that can do what no man can do. The lawyer is just there. The judges, they are just there. But God has the final say. Just as the way you did not see heavy security personnel in the court, that is how God in his own way is going to fight the battle. And victory must definitely emerge. My wonderful family, I said let me bring you the video because some people were saying yesterday when I uploaded that is not true. So now this is the preparation and I have more to deliver to you. Just stay tuned today as we hear the final judgment today, because God on his throne will never sleep, will never slumber, and he will never forget his own. At this particular moment, his banner over Nnamdi Kanu is love, and he will protect all the legal team. He will put his word in their mouth that even the judges, the power of the judges belong to God. And today the bigger power is going to rule. That is the power of God. Thank you so dearly, and keep sharing this video and stay tuned. I still remain Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. See you in a short while. For now, bye.